This is before. Kind of dark. And this is now. Wow, I made a mess of the place. Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. I want to say a huge thank you. 50,000 subscribers is just absolutely mind-blowing. Over 2 years ago when I started this, I was not expecting to be anywhere near this. I thought maybe 10 subscribers might watch what I do over time. This has just been the fact that there are other crazy people out here that like these hand tools, it's mind-blowing. So thank you for that. I do specifically want to say thank you to the patrons on Patreon. You guys are what has made this channel what it is today. So if you want to help out with that, check out Patreon. But let's get to the giveaway. A while ago, let's see, almost 2 years ago actually, I made a smoothing plane. And this is something that this was an early skill set that I learned. It's an ash body with a purple heart sole, and they're finger jointed together. I'll leave a link to the videos where I made this. I put a lot of love into it. It was when I first was figuring out how to do carving. This is actually carved with a bench chisel. Now, I gave this away in a giveaway to Daniel Slowey. He makes another hand tool channel here on YouTube, and you've got to check him out. He is one of the most underrated channels here on YouTube. He only has like 1,700 subscribers, and he should be at least at 50,000, if not more. Fantastic guy. I'll leave a link to his channel. But I sent this to him, and his country sent it back. And I sent it to him again, and his country sent it back. I think I sent it 3 times, and over the course of a year and a half, it kept coming back to me. So I talked with him, and now I'm going to give this away to someone else. So I'm going to send this to anyone in the world, and I will be doing the drawing a week from now. So if you want to see how you can enter for the drawing, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below as well. So yes, I will be giving away this smoothing plane. I thought about keeping it and loving on it, but I made it to give away, and I just like it. So I think someone else is going to be very happy with this. So if you want to see how you can win it, take a look at the link down below. And again, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone for making this happen. This channel really belongs to the community, and I want to say thank you for that. So here's to another 50,000, and we'll see what happens when I reach that. Until next time, have a wonderful day.